Hey, peace everybody. What's going on? It's Cornez. So I want to talk today about YouTube and how to get started with YouTube fairly cheap, fairly simple, without breaking the bank, pretty much starting an online business. Okay. So if you don't know, I started a YouTube channel. I talk a lot about business credit. If you haven't checked me out, go check me out at Too Smart to Be Broke. Number two, smart. Number two, be broke. All right. But let's get into this. All right. First thing you want to know is really what niche are you going to be in? What lane you going to be in? So a niche or a niche, pretty much what category. If you're going to be doing health and fitness, talk about health and fitness. But if you want to take it a step further, you could talk about keto. It's in health and fitness, but you're talking about being on the keto diet or whatever it is that you're doing. Okay, you can talk about bodybuilding if you're in health and fitness, but typically YouTube works better if you're in a niche, and it works even more better. It works better if you're actually in a sub niche. Okay, so when you're in that sub niche, people that are actually searching for those keywords and topics have more of a connection with you, and it's actually easier to monetize off of that aspect because people have a more personal relationship and connection with your business or your brand. Okay, so you pick what lane you're going to be in, your niche or your niche. Okay, so from there you want to do some research and see what other people are doing, just so you can know what's actually working and model success. So a good site to go to is socialblade.com. You go to socialblade.com, you can get an overview of different people's YouTube channels, look at their numbers, look at their demographics, and this is a big one. I keep this in my back pocket, but I'm gonna share it with you today. Okay, noxinfluencer.com. It's a gem. It shows you even more in-depth information. Both of these sites you can use for free, but they have a paid version. But go on there, you can see how much people are making. You can see how much traffic they get, how much they get to subscribers, their keywords, their tags, things of that nature. Okay. So after you figured out, you've done your research, now you're okay. I want to do this. I know what lane I'm in. All right. Cool. So come up with a name, and typically you want a name dealing with your channel. Typically, it works better if you're going to be doing it for topics that people are searching for. The way that you find out what people are searching for, you can go to Google Trends. You can type in questions. Some tools that actually help with that. Keywords anywhere. I think it's either keywords everywhere or keywords anywhere. It's one of the two, but that's a paid service. It's like it's like $10 for 100,000 credits. Okay. But if you don't want to use that, you can use things like Google Trends, or you can use things like, Uber suggest. Okay, just Google search keyword tools. Okay, and that'll help you get a more understanding of what people are searching. Take this for instance. Right now today, people are Googling people are Googling stimulus. Crazy. They're YouTubing stimulus updates like crazy. For example, this channel called Clear Value Tax a month ago had like 30,000 subscribers. And today they have over 390,000 subscribers because they took advantage of people searching for stimulus, and their channel blew up. Yes, you heard me correct. The number was 30,000 subscribers to 390 subscribers. And I'll make sure to put it on the screen so you can actually see. This is proof. Okay, so once you figure out what lane you want to model, your demographic, you figured out your keywords. Now, just, make you a Gmail account, because you have to make a Gmail account to actually create a YouTube. And I suggest that you create a Gmail account that is connected to your YouTube channel specifically for YouTube. Okay, so after that's said and done, create you a Google AdSense account as well, because that's the way that people make money. Even though you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to get monetized, there are other ways to make money on YouTube, but you already want to have that in place, so when you get monetized, you're ready to go. All right, so do all of those steps, and specifically start creating content. You need to be consistent. If you're going to do it every day, doing it every day will be great. All right. Do it every day. But if you can't do it every day, do it 3 times a week. If you can't do it 3 times a week, find you a consistent schedule that works for you. At minimum, do 1 video a week getting started. Get your rhythm. And it's okay if you're shooting off of your phone. It's okay if you're shooting on a camera. Just get started. I started shooting videos just from my phone, and I read a lot of editing because I was given information. And the best thing you can do to build trust with the people is give value. Consistently give value. Give value, give value, give value. And then boom, next thing you know, you build this relationship. People know, like, and trust you. Okay. So if you're not monetized yet, and you're saying, well, how can I get paid off YouTube? I don't have 1,000 subscribers. I don't have 4,000 watch hours. I understand. We all start from that point. But what you want to do is begin to look up something called affiliate marketing. People use Amazon all the time. So if you go in your favorite YouTubers description, I'm pretty sure they have links to stuff that they're selling or they're affiliated with. Like for instance, I may put the link to this camera that I'm using in my description. When somebody clicks on the Amazon link and they purchase them on Amazon, I get a bit of a commission. You can do the same thing with your merchandise and any of the services that you may provide. So that is a good thing to do. And yes, it may take some time, but after you just heard those numbers, trust me, there are plenty of ways to make money online. This is just one, but why not learn a skill set, and then boom, your lifestyle can be completely different. I'm only making like $200 to $300 a month from YouTube, and that's partially from me not really being as aggressive as I should be. And it's being completely transparent because I have different things going on. But $200 to $300 a month just from creating videos is great. And also, I know what I need to do to make more. So that's just some information for y'all. And hopefully this helps somebody. And if you thinking about starting a YouTube channel, you should. Hope this helped you. Peace.